This is how you do a purl stitch. Holding the needle with the stitches in the left hand and the empty needle in the right hand, and holding the yarn down onto the front of your work, insert the point of your right hand needle down and to the front through the stitch on the left hand needle. Then take the yarn and wrap it around the right hand needle, over the top and down in between the two needles, and catch that yarn and pull it through to make a new stitch on the right hand needle, and then slide the old stitch off the left hand needle. Let's do that again. Turn the point of the needle down into that first stitch on the left hand needle, then take the yarn over the top and in between the two needles. Use the right hand needle to catch that wool and pull it through to make a new stitch on the right hand needle, and then slide that old stitch off the left needle. Just move your stitches up closer to the point as and when you need to. Let's make another purl stitch. We put the right hand needle down into the front of the first stitch on the left hand needle. Then we take the yarn and we wrap it over the top and down the middle in between the two needles. Catch that yarn, pull it through to create a new stitch on the right hand needle, and then slip that old stitch off. Down into the front, around, catch that yarn, pull it through, and then slide the old stitch off. Down into the front, around, pull it through, and then slide that old stitch off. I'm just going to move those stitches up a little bit again. So down into the front, around, pull the new stitch through to create a new stitch, and then slide the old stitch off. Down into the front, around, catch that stitch there, pull it through and slide it off. And once you've got used to this, you can do this last movement smoothly and just slide the stitch off. So you do this.